Number 10 on page 301, we're going to solve the log equation by changing it to its exponential form. We have the log of 1 minus x base 4 equals 1. So again, before we want to get started, we want to determine the domain of the function. To quickly do that, I'm going to, again, as I did in a previous example, look at the graph of the log, and what I see is that it is defined from negative infinity to positive 1. So that is going to be my domain. So I'm going to make a note of that there on the paper so that I can refer to that when I look at my solutions in case I have to change any solutions. So writing this in its exponential form, I take the base 4, raise it to the exponent of 1, and that is going to equal 1 minus x. So I have the equation 4 equals 1 minus x. Solving for x, I get that x equals negative 3. And that is indeed in a domain, so that is our solution.